Unseen to You says, I love fishing, but I can't do catfishing. Not enough action for me. They're just fun to catch.
Yeah, it can be a little slow.
It can be sometimes, yeah, for sure.
We also, we bass fish. We do other type of fishing. We go creek fishing.
Yeah.
We go sawguy fishing.
Yeah.
Fishing for them salmon.
Yeah. Shockwave wants me to pour some blood in the water. See if it'll help.
Go ahead. I'll do it.
You do it. Tom says, fishing is relaxing. Barbecue, set up a small fire, BS with friends. But he says he likes to crappie fish. Unseen to You says he likes crappie fishing. That's what he prefers. Yeah, Choax, that's another fish he says I didn't think about in this Toyota as well. The sawguy or sauger or whatever they are. No thanks.
A lot of blood. A lot of blood out there. Oh, that was a big one.
Unseen fishes in Lake Isabella in Cali. Very cool, very cool. Unseen to You says, going for catfish, toss a can of wet dog food in with a few holes in it and it's catfish heaven, but I've never said that. But I never said that. If we did, I would tie a rope to it so we could retrieve it later and throw it away. I wouldn't want to leave the can and pollute the water, right? Yeah.
And I think that's against the law too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You think you could chum?
You can't? Aw. You caught another.
Oh, another.
Well, you better put them out there.
See if you catch anything in the live one.
I'm working on it. He's out there, but he ain't even swimming. I might have knocked him out when I cast
He's
him.
swimming. I just seen your line move.
Oh, just now.
Yeah.
I've been watching it and it hasn't been moving.
I think that's a smaller head. I might stick the head up. Is it a smaller one? I don't know. Any nutty buddies in there?
There might be one left in that bucket. There's a donut and there's oatmeal cookies.
Oatmeal cookies? What do you want?
I have a cookie. Some donuts are kind of gross. See, Unseen to You says, but that's why I never said it, LOL. Oh, thanks, Shockwave, for putting that shout out in there for LPO. Good stuff. That bluegill says I'm going back to the water. Oatmeal cookies. Oatmeal says oatmeal cookies?
Oatmeal cookies.
Yeah, oatmeal cookies. Thank you. Oatmeal cookies.